Hi, all-star kids, I'm George the Goldfish, and I'm so excited to welcome you to my underwater paradise. As a goldfish, I love to glide through the water, exploring every nook and cranny of my tank. Did you know that goldfish have a memory span of up to 3 months? That's right, we're pretty smart for our size. Join me as I swim gracefully through the water, meeting my fishy friends and enjoying the serenity of my aquatic home. Get ready for a peaceful underwater journey with me and the all-star kids. Let's dive in and discover the beauty of the underwater world together. See you soon. Bye.